Okay, we're here, Scarlet, Cell, and I, at this beautiful peninsula. We just arrived at the peninsula with our friend here, Herman. Say hi, Herman.
Thank you, Riz.
And there's our lovely Scarlet Cell.
Nothing left in the car.
Nothing left. Beautiful peninsula hotel. Got our beautiful staff. I want to show you the pool. How beautiful Scarlet Cell looks like as we enjoy our life here. So I'm heading over to the reception to find out where we can get some towel. Can we get any towels?
Hello.
They're a friendly reception area over here. We're gonna get some towels.
How many towels?
Just two. Getting two towels from here. Thank you, Fabio, the manager. Check out their native costumes. Tell us about your costume.
We use Balinese costume every apa namanya sekarang? Full moon and Thursday.
It's full moon right
Full
now?
moon, yeah, today is full moon.
Having my Bloody Mary. So Scarlett and I are going to interview the Master Chef.
My name is Saparsan Basri. You can call me Chef Saparsan.
Chef, what are you going to be teaching us today? How to cook?
The menu is Chicken Piccata, and later I will combine with the Indonesian rice, and then the sauce. Later we take some little bit creamy Italian. I combine the Asian Mediterranean with the Italian.
Let's get to work.
This is the chicken breast. You can use also not only chicken breast like this one. Just give the salt and pepper. Pak Komang, please flour it. This is the rice, steamed rice Indonesian from us. Little bit butter. Little dash of paprika. This is for calorie. And then put the steamed rice in here together. Okay. The Indonesian rice combined with the paprika, the western from. Or if this is butter already salted, is enough. Okay.
That's an Indonesian
Yes.
rice, huh?
Yeah, we call it rice pilaf. That's it, the Indonesian rice.
So that's finished.
Okay, that's finished. Okay, I put here.
With powder?
Yeah.
What is that called?
Flour.
Flour.
Yes, chicken breast already marinated with salt and pepper.
More
Like
better.
this.
A little
Yeah,
bit of
that's
oil. And
Oil
you put the
and then
chicken
put
breast there.
Chicken breast.
Yeah, and then it's
Yeah.
soaked for how long? How long,
Yeah.
Master Chef?
Yeah, and this is about the 3 or 5 minutes.
This is also an Indonesian dish, right? Piccata.
Yeah. Piccata from the Italian like this one. Yeah. Okay, I will set aside more until done. Yes.
Put some
And
basil.
we do already have, this is the some
is that
sauce,
called?
basic cream sauce.
Cream
This is
sauce.
inside. We have the capers. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Wow. That's the first
Simple one.
and second. Nice,
Yeah.
nice preparation.
Okay. We take this one.
Italian sauce. Wow.
Yeah. And little bit parsley maybe.
Voila.
Finish.
All right, our master
Okay.
chef just finished it.
You can try in this one. You look simple thing but very juicy in the chicken.
One of the cool things I like about it is this an outdoor pool bar. Isn't that pretty cool? So what you can do here after you get a nice meal, you can go over there and hang out. We're leaving the resort, taking that called Bluebird taxi in this beautiful resort. Very beautiful Scarlet. Always positive mood. That's my Scarlet for you. We just saw in person what Master Chef did. There it is right there. And we're gonna taste it.
We combine, this is from the Asian and then Italian basically.
This is Italian sauce? Piccata?
Yeah, like the Italian, kind of the Italian sauce. Cream, this is made from the cream wine sauce. Just add the capers inside and some basil.
I saw how you made this rice. It was very interesting. That's an Indonesian rice.
Yes, basically it's Indonesian. We call it nasi goreng, yeah. Very variant is nasi goreng, but I tried different. That's why I combine Indonesian with the Western. We call it like the rice pilaf. This is made from the butter rice with the some paprika inside, herb inside.
We're gonna try it out right now. We're gonna have Scarlet Cell taste that one, and
Yes,
I'll be
please.
tasting this one right here, and put a little Indonesian rice there. And you tell me what you think of it, Scarlet Cell. Take the first taste. First, taste the chicken.
This is very tender and very juicy.
Tender and juicy, as the Master Chef
delicious.
said. Delicious.
Delicious.
So I'm gonna try it, folks. Let me
Yes,
see
please.
this in our show. I saw how this was made. Very tender.
Very tender, yeah.
It's like a chicken
Give me
steak.
some sauce. Yeah, this basically
Put some
grilled
sauce.
chicken with the sauce.
I'm gonna try the
More
sauce.
juicy, more nice.
I'm gonna try this Italian piccata sauce right here. That's what I have.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Wow, delicious, yeah.
Wow. Excellent.
Okay.
Excellent. A total master chef here in Indonesia.
Yeah.
You've got to come see him.
You say it's very delicious. Thank you very much.
Very delicious. All right.
Okay.
You're watching HollywoodCeleb.tv. Thank you, Master Chef, for showing us around here at
Peninsula Bay Resort.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye.